happening, gang? Today I had an absolutely mental day. I planned up a thing for mini bikes to happen up to Tirpentwys. Because obviously it's always busy, there's always lots of people there. So I put on social media, oh, come on, let's all have a mini bike bash. And yeah, there wasn't many there, sadly. But for what was there, it was great. It was, oh wow, it was insane. It was sick fun. I was on like this tiny Apollo Roxy 16-inch wheel girls bike thing. And it was like a miniature BMX. That was class. It was, oh my god, hold on to it. Like, just listening in this video, I was absolutely cacking myself coming down the trail. Oh my god, I'm so glad the brakes worked on the thing. Oh, because when you let the brakes open, oh, it was so fast. It would just build speed up out of nowhere, just inertia. It's like, oh, whoa, whoa, and like, oh wow, and trying to jump the thing. Oh, it was solid. It's like when you get on a mini bike, you just, it's like you almost forget how to ride a bike, you know, because you're so used to a real size proper bike. So you get on these little things and like all that skill that you've got is just swept away. And it's insane, except for Curtis Kelly. Him on his little 20-inch Carrera Luna. The whips and stuff you got, oh, were cracking. And like eventually, like they didn't really caught on camera. The whips I was getting on the little Roxy, oh, it was class. Oh wow, just here you go. Here's the footage I caught, and the tassel thing on my jumper was like really annoying. It would just stay there in the way, in the camera's way, and all that. I just watched back all the footage, but I'm not gonna be doing another mini bike event for a while now, so. Yeah, I'll do. Enjoy the video. Go on it. Let's see how fucking amazing not we are. Ah, my god, there's no grip. Oh, oh, dead here a bit. Yeet. Yeah. Here he comes. Curtis Kelly. 20-inch mini bike. Boosh! Massive whip and a spin out. Kurt on the mini rocker. Go on. Fucking brilliant. Yes. Here we go. Oh my god, yeet. Yeah. Yes! Washed out completely at the bank. Sick. Here we go, me and Curtis in the table. Here's one rapid bass on mini bike. Oh, oh yeah. Yeet. Oh yeah. Yeet. Oh. Yeet.
6月来这人家。
Got another bit of us doing jumps to the back. Oh my god. Whoa. Yeet. And again. Yeet. Massive. Alright, so you go. We're at the top of the trip. It's Curtis. So, very top. Elliot, Max, and Ethan. Ethan's then my mini rocker. Max is on the same bike as me, Apollo Roxy. And Elliot's on a, what have we got there, but?
Max Terrain, or something like that, Hallam
Terrain Hallam. Whoosh, I got special. I'm about to drop Bob. Stay tuned, because you're coming down with us. It's going to be insane. Here comes Curtis Kelly, mini bike. Whip over a step down. Curtis is dropping. I'm dropping.
Oh my god. Oh, wow. Max is behind me, he's just dropped. Whoa. Oh my god. This is death. Oh my god, brakes. Ah! Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. I am literally cacking all the way down. My brakes are locked. Oh! Whoa! Wow! Oh, whoa, big boom. Down there. Down this one. Oh! Oh, he's down. Whoa! Ice all over the booms, man. Right. Continue. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, if we leave the brakes open, it goes so fast. Oh! Whoa! Sorry, boys! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! So fast! Oh! Oh, that was like millimeters from someone's bike. Yeah, Kurt. That was crazy, but when I shit myself all the way down.
You come off, I saw you.
Yeah, I did.
I didn't come off.
Max is off as well.
I didn't come off, my front wheel washed out.
Morgan Price, regular bikes. No interest in that. Elliot's up there. Ethan's up there. They can't come down. I think they're shitting themselves, aren't they?
Yeah, I stopped this. I went doing the Oliver line instead.
Yeah, yeah. Here goes Max around the boom.
Oh, fuck, he's off.
Oh, Elliot's down as well. Max is doing the table. Oh yeah, Max, it's time. Wow. They're coming down the bank. They can't do it. Here goes Max on his Roxy. I think it's Ethan on a mini rocker. Elliot on his hardcore special. Look. It's almost impossible to get airtime on these things. Right, go Curtis. He's flying. He's so fast on a mini bike. The size of that whip there, I'm not sure if I got that on camera. Sneeze! Oh yeah! Oh! Come on. Good lad!
That's our mini bike bash up to Tirpentwys. It was crazy. Like other kids then started getting involved and like having goes on our mini bikes. And but sadly I didn't catch any of that on camera. There was people like Gethin, Connell. They were all getting all of our mini bikes and like having goes on the jumps and stuff. And oh, it was class. And like all of them, they were all saying, "Oh, I'm gutted I didn't bring one. I should have bought one. I should have got one." They all wanted a mini bike after having goes on ours. Like they understood the fun and the humor in it, which was great to watch. I'm glad everyone, you know, who took part enjoyed it, and there's, you know, I just want to say thank you to everyone that turned up and everyone that got involved. I'm grateful for that, you know, made the effort. So, but next time I'll make another mini bike bash up to Tirpentwys. Bring your mini bikes. It's gonna be sick, and we're gonna send. So today, how I'm feeling with the brain injury. I started off the day feeling pretty good and pretty great. So that's why I took on board to do this event and join in and with my mini bike, and I just have a bash. But then about an hour, that's the max I could manage today because the fatigue hit me, and everything just hit me. My mood just went like that. So I went from having great fun to completely wanting to just come home to my bedroom where I am now and just call it a day. Just leave it. It's what happens to me sometimes. I literally just get fed up, and even with something as fun and as cool, crazy as that, I can't keep up with it anymore. Not as long as I should be able to. See you in the next one.